We know you are always on the lookout for the most suitable products to satisfy your custom requirements. That's why we at TechBee have come up with this list specifically made for you. Whether you want to splurge all of your money or simply want an affordable option, we have the right choice for you. Oh, and don't forget to look at the description below to see updated prices and offers that you might get. Let's get started.
A foot massage improves circulation, stimulates muscles, reduces tension, and often eases pain. It also offers reduced effects of depression, anxiety, stress, discomfort, as well as increases energy, improved immune system, concentration, prevents foot and ankle injuries, and more.
Before we look into the next option, tell us what's your favourite model and the reason why you love it in the comments section below.
This foot massager from Nekteck is a perfect solution to relax your tense foot muscles and regulates blood flow. It has 6 massage heads with 18 rotating massager nodes for deep penetration of the muscles for a soothing and relaxing experience. And its heating function helps in relieving pain on tired muscles and reduces foot pain. Plus, its adjustable height feature enables you to easily adjust up to 3 levels depending on your preference and convenience. And it has built-in onboard cord storage and a carry handle for added portability and easy operation.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
This foot massager comes equipped with 18 deep kneading nodes that target acupuncture points on your foot and stimulates blood flow and stress. It has 6 massage nodes with 2 different rotation directions to provide a more comfortable and intimate massage experience. And its heated shiatsu kneading foot massager features a relaxing heat setting that increases muscle relaxation and rejuvenation. Plus, its mesh insert is made of breathable fabric to render utmost comfort to your feet while they are getting pampered and kneaded away. And its specialized novelty curve design allows people with different foot sizes to effortlessly use this heated foot massager.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
This Belmint Shiatsu foot massager is a powerful deep kneading massager to relieve tired muscles, plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, chronic pain, and more. It offers a built-in infrared switchable heat to ease tension, release tight muscles, and improve blood circulation. And its dual footbeds feature innovative rotational massage heads to provide dedicated massage to each foot. Plus, it also features 5 distinct preset massages to cater to the different pressure points from heel to toe. And its deep double footbeds and the stylish ergonomic design enable portability and comfortable use.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
This RENPHO foot massager machine comes equipped with a rotation ball, rolling stick, heating, and offers a deep kneading shiatsu foot massage. It has a reflexology feature that helps correct imbalances in the body by stimulating specific areas of your feet. And its proper and targeted stimulation of the feet can ease tension all over your body, especially in your legs and lower back. Plus, its adjustable massage intensity can adjust the massage intensity to your individual preference to enable you to have a unique personal massage experience. And its enlarged foot rooms can accommodate most foot sizes, up to men's size 12.
Up next, we have this fantastic model, which can be an excellent pick for anybody.
This foot massager from Human Touch is engineered from heavy-duty materials that are carefully combined to give you a better experience and provides instant relief and a healthier body. It delivers a powerful reflexology massage that brings the body back into its natural state to promote natural healing. And its targeted relief offers improved circulation, quick recovery for stressed feet, and rejuvenated muscles after long periods of standing. Plus, its Figure 8 technology circulates blood from the feet toward the body's core to allow the fresh nutrients to re-enter the calves and feet for more significant healing and soothing comfort.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
This multi-purpose foot massager is ergonomically designed with flexible shiatsu massage nodes to deliver complete massage from toe to heel and relieves feet and back pains. It offers 2 optional heating levels to provide perfect heated foot warmth to ease tiredness and aches in foot muscles. And its heat therapy helps improve blood flow, alleviate body fatigue, and promotes better sleep. Plus, it has a removable and washable cover to avoid dust winding for gentle and enhanced massaging. And its flat design fits people with larger feet or any feet size to enjoy this electric foot massager.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.